Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how to add RazorPay in Hostinger. In order to do so, let's check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic tool that is an extension for your Chrome browser. You'll find at the bottom right-hand corner this icon. If we click on that, that's going to open up our Cider sidebar, and we can click on this little link here to go into full page chat. We're going to go ahead and go in full page chat. We're going to find out how we're going to add RazorPay in Hostinger. According to Cider, adding RazorPay to your website hosted on Hostinger involves a few steps, including creating a RazorPay account, integrating RazorPay payment gateway into your site, and configuring it for use. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First off, go to the RazorPay website and sign up for a new account. To activate payments, you'll need to complete the Know Your Customer process by providing necessary documents. Once you're logged in, navigate to the RazorPay dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Settings, API Keys. Generate a new API key if one isn't automatically generated. Make sure to note both the key ID and key secret. Here's how to integrate RazorPay depending on the type of website you have. For WordPress sites, you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, and search for RazorPay. You can also choose the RazorPay for WooCommerce plugin or other integration plugin based on your site's requirements. After installation, activate the plugin, navigate to the plugin settings, and enter your RazorPay API key. Adjust the settings as necessary for your payment preferences. Add the RazorPay JavaScript SDK to your HTML file. If you're using Cider, then you can just copy this here. Set up a backend route to create an order using RazorPay's API. This typically involves making a post request with your backend language. Create a payment button that triggers the RazorPay checkout. You're probably not going to want to just screenshot this and get this. So if you use Cider, then you can just hit that copy button there at the top right-hand corner. Make sure to test your integration using RazorPay's test mode before going live. Once everything is tested thoroughly and working correctly, switch to your RazorPay account from test to live mode. Update your API keys in your code to use the live key ID and key secret. Use the RazorPay dashboard to monitor your transactions, manage refunds, and review reports. Following these steps will help you successfully integrate RazorPay into your Hostinger hosted website. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and you will find our top AI tool and recommendations, as well as Roamless eSIM. You'll also find Cider AI there. Take a click on that to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.